What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel, the Iceyyyboyz. What is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So what is the big subject going on around today? COVID-19. Hey, fuck you. Yeah, this is actually my day one of quarantine. My job just recently emailed us saying, hey, yo, don't come in till April 6th. What the fuck? Like, people were already off. Like, 2-3 weeks ago. The fuck? But anyways, guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today I gotta show you how bad my kit is, because I can't drive because I'm Asian, you know what I'm saying? Day one of quarantine. Do a video for you guys? Hell yeah, I'm going to do a video for you guys, you know what I'm saying? Alright, let's see if this works. Yeah, we gotta do this. Oh man, I fucked it up! What I tried to do, guys, but it didn't work out. Both of my faces are supposed to be looking at you. Look, that hey, but that one's working. Yeah. But anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back. This is gonna be a, oh, what the fuck? Anyways, as I was saying, I got off work and I hit a fucking, it was like a semi-truck tire on the freeway. So yeah, the front bumper is completely destroyed. If you come over here, completely snapped. Yeah, I'm gonna get a new kit. The BN is not my life. And just look at this. This shit's fucked. There's a complete hole in here. Wee 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 wee. And she talks. I was gonna wash her today, but the weather's been very weird lately. So yeah, I'm not gonna wash her. But anyways, the wagon's still chilling here. And right now, I am going to be heading to Travis's house. I'm heading to Travis's house right now because he actually got a new kit. I don't know if you guys know, but he didn't want to post it on his Instagram, so we're gonna go check it out right now. I forgot to show you guys. The moon eyes is finally on. Thank you for Gus for giving back my shit. And yeah, it looks pretty nice. Oh yeah, and then we got this at the I forgot what it's called. I think it's Joann's or, oh no, Hobby Lobby for 69 cents. So yeah, let's go there right now. Anyways, just got to Travis's. My shit's fucked. But his car is looking the same as usual. But he finally got his kit, so hopefully everything's gonna look better. You guys can see he's been not really giving a fuck. Like, bruh. His lips all fucked up. Usually his head, oh, it is poking out. Yeah, so we're gonna change that because he has his kit already, everything all together. Then he's gonna get it painted, and yeah. Now we're just waiting for him in the rain. Where's the kid? Hey, son. Look at that. Look, we got it. It's official, Travis Rouse. Yeah. Put this bitch on the floor. It's just so nice. Are you gonna take off that mesh? Yeah, mesh is pretty ugly. But it is actually an Vertex S Endurance. Wait, put up the canards on. This is good quality. You haven't even opened that yet? Oh my god. I would open that other shit. So that's like that's the rear lip. If you guys are thinking that's like a, almost looks like a bumper to be honest. But they package it really well. Man, what is that? Yeah, these are from the Russian dudes. Oh, Jesus. I like how it's just all over the place. So these are like the same side skirts, but they probably fit way better, and they don't have like the actual attachment on the top though, which kind of sucks. Oh yeah, and a bonus. You picked that up. How much you picked that up for? It's the same color too, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. But if you guys don't know why he got a fender, it's because when he first got this car, I guess you drifted, right?
Into a pole.
Into a pole. The canards up. Hell yeah. This shit's gonna look so nice, bro.
Alright.
I think that's upside down, is it?
No, it's not.
Okay. And then what do you have to do? Do you have to drill in that? Or do you have to actually like mold it?
No, I'm just gonna drill.
Oh yeah, because look underneath, so you won't really see it. Yeah. Hey, that's gonna look tight.
Like that.
So the plan was to actually. Oh shit! It started pouring. So the plan was actually to test fit these real quick and see how they fit, and actually get them all like perfect. But we're probably gonna go head to Dallas's right now, and yeah, probably another day. But I just wanted to show you guys. What's going on, guys? It's actually a new day. I didn't really get to record much the other day, and it started raining, so we didn't record anything. But yesterday, I am so sorry, but I didn't have time to actually record it, and I just wanted to get it done. Me and Dallas actually put in my extended lower control arms that I actually got from Kyler. Shout out to him. But yeah, we put it on the wagon, and it poked my wheel out so much, and like it gives me so much more camber. Oh yeah, you can see from right here that tilt though. But I am actually super happy. But right now it doesn't really drive like, well, it rubs up the ass, and my paint's coming off already. But anyways, guys, how's it going? I feel like I haven't vlogged in a while, and I usually never do. I always have to say this line because I usually just don't vlog much anymore. But this is actually day like 5, day 4 of quarantine. What do you guys think of it? Honestly, it is kind of getting, it's crazy because all the homies and I actually been getting shit done to our cars. Like those extended lowers would not probably be done if we were off, because I'm off literally till April 6th, I think, and yeah, that's a long time. So we gotta keep busy, you know, and so yeah, I'm actually really happy with the lower extended lowers. They come out a lot. I'll try to show you the other side. Oh yeah, you can see this. I just wish you guys could see this in person. But yeah, we got those extended lowers on. We actually put in Travis's new painted fender, and Gus and him yesterday actually test fitted his new kit on there. I showed you guys in the last clip, but I also sold my kit to Gus. Yeah, I sold the front bumper and the side skirts. Dude, the video I showed you earlier of it, that was nothing. Like 2 days later, that shit got worse. So I just sold him the kit, the front and the sides. I actually bought another kit already, and it should come in this month or next month. So from 3 to 4 weeks, or a little longer, but I'll keep you guys updated. But right now, I'm actually gonna go to Dallas's right now, and we're all gonna file for unemployment. But I already did actually, but I'm gonna help him and see if he's already done. But so yeah, let's go. I honestly don't remember the last time I got gas. I've been running on E for a while. But anyways, yeah. let's hit the road. I forgot to tell you guys, I know right now isn't a good time to be selling stuff, but me and Dallas actually made some new stickers, and if you guys could head to the website and support us right now, it'd be awesome because these stickers are awesome. So mine is just my car, and we both have glitter, so it says Camber is a lifestyle. Hoffman's is drifting as a lifestyle. I'll show you that when, actually I have it. I have one. It's over here. I don't know if I'm pointing at it, but somewhere right here. But anyways, head to the website and give us just support us, you know, because life's tough out here, but you know. Alright, let's go to Dallas's. Yeah, vlogging the quarantine. Say what up to the homies. You guys haven't seen these guys in, I don't know how long. Bitch what? Play some. Play some 2K.
It's off.
Who has the ball right now?
Travis just shot. But it's gonna be off.
Oh! That was a game winner. That was a game winner. That's what's up, huh? That's what's up. So I'm about to show you guys Travis's new kit on, and I'm gonna jack my car. Damn, son. Damn, who helped you put this kit on?
Not you.
What'd you say, guys? He said, not you.
You can't lift Joshua.
Oh yeah, he got Dallas put in some strobes too for this man.
That's fire.
That one, yeah, that one's tight.
Looking at it though, no, that's way more fire.
Yeah, this one looks, yeah, it's way better. At night is bright as fuck. Oh yeah. Jeez, I see you didn't clean out your car still. But he got the S Endurance front bumper. Just to get the canards. Where are the canards at?
Fuck the canards, they don't exist.
Alright then, toss them in the trash right now. It's right there. Put it on. See what they look like. They look way nicer without the like super clean. I mean, they both look good.
Yeah,
But
I'm gonna have Ricky paint it and then put it on and see how it looks when it's painted.
nah, but I like it like without it. But honestly, for this thing, I might put it on.
No, it looks like fire on the yellow.
Yeah, because I'm gonna be painting the bumper yellow and then yeah, the canards black. But anyways, there we go. There's the thing that's been dragging boys and girls.
Hey, just that.
It doesn't hurt my eyes when I look inside this.
Yeah, why are you staring at it?
Who, me? Bro, look at it inside this camera. It doesn't hurt your eyes as much. Right? Oh, you
In
don't?
the daytime, it's not bad. Nighttime is bad.
Yeah, nighttime's super bad. Look, it doesn't even hurt your eyes when you look in the camera.
I think they're so good that they don't.
Right? Yeah, it's recording.
Still recording? Oh shit.
So I know a lot of you guys have been asking me on Instagram and on here that you want to see Gus's car. So Gus's car is actually here right now, so I'm gonna show you guys right now. So I'm gonna pull up right here. He actually drove it today. He actually drives that car more than his LS 400. So wait, leave it there. I'm gonna pop that bitch. Okay, well. So this is his Cressida. You guys seen it when we first picked it up, when it was literally nothing. But this is his Cressy. Now it's something, yeah. Shut up. Oh my god, this hood is fucking heavy. This shit is nuts. I would start it for you guys, but something's going on with it right now. But yeah, look at that. It's tubing, bro. Look at all that. That's your at-home tubing, custom hood bracket and everything. But yeah, this shit's clean overall. Ooh. Alright, I'm putting this down because it's getting heavy. But I also want to show you guys the wiring of the headlights. Those are our dirt bike little headlights.
Do it yourself.
Yeah, DIY. But I'll show you guys inside the car. I am trying to explain, but the person that actually did it is not explaining. And Dallas is not here. So this is the actual, like, you could say that's the ECU. You could say that's the ECU, right?
That's my fuse panel. The ECU is behind the dash.
Okay. Well, there you go. Oh, right there. See it right there. Can't you? Isn't it this?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. And these are his taillights and headlights. And then
those are my blinkers.
These are your blinkers?
Yeah.
Which one's your taillights and headlights?
On the dash.
On the dash. I don't know.
Taillights and
What?
orange.
Oh, this. Okay, so this is like the fuel pump, right?
Yeah.
The fan is blue. And then these are your headlights and taillights.
No, that's like
Red's what?
that's free.
Oh, red's free. And this is the ignition. Yeah, you better go sanitize. But yeah, the shit. And my steering wheel, because it's a bum for that. She's still in a work in progress, you know? How much she pay you? But yeah. And his exhaust. You should get a real car. But yeah.
Later, bro.
And that's Gus's Cressy. I wish we were to I wish we were to record everything, but time's been rough. And just didn't have time to record all of it.
Alright, me and coronavirus got beef.
What are you gonna do about it?
Square up with it.
Hey, I was reading this one thing where it's like, if the coronavirus don't take you out, can I take you out? So the baby's gonna look like this for a while until I get my kit, and then Ricky's gonna paint it because the BN kit was not me. I drive reckless. Here, you wanna record? Yeah. Right now we're gonna be driving. See if it's still rubbing. I have to like take off. Not rubbing. I think that's it. I think that was, yeah, that was a liner. Dude, because I was driving at your house, Trev, and I heard it, and I'm like, what the fuck is that noise, dude? I'm gonna run into your kid. Fuck. Shit. Hey. You barely see it. What is going on, y'all? I just got back home. So that'll probably be the end of the video, guys. Thanks for coming back and watching. And don't forget to head to the website. The link will be up here. Head to the website and buy them the new stickers that we just released. And just stay safe, stay clean, guys. And see you guys next time. Deuces.